Hello, my name is Aluin Peña Torres. I am 30 years old. I am a student of the UNAD in Technology y Saneamiento Ambiental. My profession is military. I am professional soldier. My favorite hobby is watching TV and playing soccer. My favorite food is fast food, in especially the burger. This is my family. She is my mother. She is 43 years old. He is my brother. He is 20 years old. He is my father. He is 50 years old. She is my girlfriend. She is 28 years old. This is my home. There is two bedrooms. There are two bedrooms. There is a living room. There is a dining room. There is a kitchen. There are two bathrooms. My home is so big. This is my living room. My living room. There is one TV. There is a picture. There is a big windows. There is a sofa, color gray. This is my favorite. My favorite. This is my favorite place. Bye bye.